If you've seen those eye-catching ads about Glow Drop tanning drops promising you a natural golden tan just by drinking a few drops in your water, coffee, or smoothie, you're probably wondering, is this really the future of tanning? Or just another overhyped scam? Glow Drop claims that unlike UV tanning or DHA-based self-tanners, their formula can give you a sun-kissed glow from the inside out, which sounds revolutionary. But when you start digging into the details, a lot of red flags come up. First, their marketing heavily relies on dramatic before and after photos that many customers say look edited or fake. And while the official site boasts over 86,000 happy customers and endless 5-star reviews, independent review platforms paint a very different picture. On Trustpilot and other sites, people complain about never receiving their orders, being charged hidden subscription fees they didn't agree to, and struggling to get any kind of customer support or refund. The company itself doesn't help its credibility. Since the Glow Drop website was only registered in June 2025, provides no physical business address, and seems to copy the same flashy marketing style used by other questionable wellness drops. When it comes to science, there's also little to no evidence to support the idea that drinking a liquid supplement can change your skin tone naturally. And Glow Drop doesn't publish any transparent ingredient lists or clinical studies to back up their claims. Some users who actually managed to get the product say they saw no results at all, while others describe mild digestive discomfort, which raises even more doubts. So while the promise of achieving an effortless tan without sun damage or messy lotion sounds tempting, the risks of losing money, signing up for hidden subscriptions, or simply being disappointed seem much higher than the chance of glowing results. If you're thinking about trying Glow Drop tanning drops, it's worth pausing before spending your money, because the glossy marketing may not match reality.